So it's 6:27 p.m., 10th June 2019. So I just went out downstairs and my head was tagged. So I was in the B1 level, which is one level under the ground level, and my head was tagged, the right side of the head. And it shows right there. So the technology that's in the building or outside of the building, and I'm suspecting that it's in both places, could reach you anywhere in the building. Anywhere in the building. See how powerful that is? So the power has to be turned up in order to track you throughout the building. So the head, the obliques, the foot, right down to the toes. So in order to track you, you'd have to be you'd have to be tagged completely, your whole body. But it starts with the head. See that? So that's the spot that has the highest power, is being hit with the highest power. And the eyes, the other eye. So the right side is tagged, the right side of the head, and the rest of the body at a lower level. See that? The level is not as high. So the major spot right here was tagged as I went out, and the ear, and the eyes. So the technology in 25 Bamburgh Circle, in which I'm being harassed with these signals in Toronto, can be reached. The technology can reach anywhere in the building. And I've been hit with these signals in the sauna, which is in the B1 level, so the level under the ground, in the sauna. That's completely enclosed. Door closed, completely enclosed. So the power has to be turned up pretty high for that to happen.